Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now, let's continue with the reset. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the upper button for a couple of seconds and then release it and wait until the watch turns on. And to wake up the screen on your watch, simply press the upper button. After you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu, find the settings icon, it's at the bottom right here, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the system option, and then tap on it. And here, select the reset, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on it. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, disregard this pop-up. This is because I didn't unpair the watch from my phone. That's why it popped out. Basically, it wants to reconnect the watch with the phone. But once you factory reset your watch, you should see the list of languages on the screen. This means that the factory reset is complete. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.